Oh my god, guys, look at all of them! Holy smokes, guys. What is going on, YouTube? Oh my god, this is an impression of my lifetime. Holy golly. They've been here for like 10 minutes right now. Oh my god, look at them, YouTube. Oh my god, guys. Holy golly. Oh, they just keep coming and coming. Oh my god. They're trying to get on that great roof over there. I don't know what's going on. Voila. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is going to be worth money. Oh my god, look at them. Holy golly. Look at a closer view on them. They're trying to get into that tree over there. See this big tree? I'll zoom in. See that tree, that Christmas type of tree? That's where they're going. I was just playing. Okay, guys, so here's the story. So I was just playing football, right? And then here's a bunch of birds that come running over. And then this is worth money, YouTube. What do you think of this? Oh my gosh. Yeah. Alright. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy smokes, they just keep coming. Oh my god. They're all in that tree over there. Oh my god, what is going on? So I gotta get under here just in case. This is worth money. This is worth money. It's a big fleet of birds. I have no idea what's going on right now. What is going on? Oh my god, I posted this on YouTube. What is going on? I am so confused. Oh my god, they just keep coming. Look at that one on the roof. Oh my god. Focus. Yeah, there's a whole fleet of them. Oh my god. Alright. I'll keep you guys updated pretty soon, but yeah, this thing's gonna be worth money, I guarantee that. This is gonna be worth money. Oh, they just keep coming in. Oh, they're trying to leave. There's still a lot of them. What are they preparing for war or something? Holy golly. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care, YouTube, and I'll see you next time. Bye!